Hello guys, dito tayo ngayon sa first building ng Fotora Montenaga, no? So ito na yung project natin at under development. Well, ito na po siya ngayon. So goods na goods kasi tingnan yung maigi, no? By year 2025, fourth quarter po noon is mata-turn over na po sa client yung sa first building po natin. So yan na po siya. Ang next project is yung kabila naman, the second building also, and third and fourth building. Ito muna, pinatapos muna yan.
Futura Montenaga is in front of Mother Seaton. In Diversion Road. What are you waiting for? Reserve your unit now. Few units left. DM me for your reservation.